Hello guys, and welcome once again to this amazing YouTube channel where we share with you amazing content just to make sure that your trading career is a success. So just a quick breakdown and a quick lookout on crash and boom indices and also our favorite 275 index. So as you can see on the weekly you can see already that there's nothing much to talk about on the weekly. Because if you can check we are going downtrending. Then here the market created a level of resistance here, resistance, support. So that can actually be a possible range, but we'll just look into it. Let me just add the what do you call this? Just like this. But so this is on the weekly. You can see that on 300 we have been in a downtrend. This is the level. This is resistance, resistance, and so here this was a range. And remember, according to us and our strategy, whenever we have a range, we sell the top and we buy the bottom up until the break like this. After the break, we always anticipate a pullback to the range and a continuation down. That is what we are currently expecting right now. That is what we are looking forward for on BOOM 300. We're expecting a pullback into the range, then a continuation. Nothing much to talk about there on BOOM 300. That is the current expectation now. A retest to that range is one, then a continuation down, right? So expecting a pullback according to the daily. We're actually expecting a pullback around this area here. Pullback, then a continuing down. This level here. That is what I expected the pullback to reach up to. Then we all the way to the downside. So just some structures that we can draw. They're not quite clear structures that are currently, and also maybe because it is a movement that you cannot draw clear structures. I know, but I'm actually get any channel that I can draw that we can actually use, and also use the additional confluence to right. So right, beautiful. I've found the channel. The channels, these are channels that can actually guide you, especially when you want to hold trades for longer into this zone, into this trend line zone. Moving average, our Fibonacci. So according to our Fibonacci, around the 50% of 61.8 zone, that's why we're expecting a pullback, negative 27%. That is moving on to crash 300. Starting from the weekly, you realize that it has also been going down, similar to BOOM 300. It has been on a downtrend, as you can see. These are major structures that the market can actually respect, even in the long run. Major structure. Like this. Beautiful. So I'll show you that we are in a downward channel. So here, this other channel here. So this other channel now can actually help us for opportunities that we can take advantage of now for the crash 300. Right. So this is the other channel. Is overall we are still downtrending, as I showed you. Overall we are still downtrending. You can see already that this is resistance here, support, right? So here you can also see that the market was in sort of like a range here. This one, you just put the top right in this zone. In this zone here, you can actually see that the market was in a range, right? Range, broke out. We're now expecting a retest here. retest here, then boom, then we go up. So going up, we are looking forward to this zone for TP. Why? Because that is a supply zone, and also because market hasn't shifted structure to hold them that long. But we can also look at things like this. Right, this is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful illustration here. Right, this is a beautiful, beautiful structure here. You can see that the market was downtrending, 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 then broke above the trend line. So most probably we're expecting the retest around this area. If ever it's a worst case scenario, it can come all the way to the trend line, which is also close to this demand zone, where you're going to actually get some beautiful buys. You buy there, the TP1 here, TP2, you're looking at this trend line here. That is what we're currently looking at forward for crash 300. Nothing much to talk about there. We are done. Moving on forward to boom 500. Boom 500. Right. Let me just clear my chart. We have been downtrending. We have been downtrending. We have been downtrending. I don't know why all these are just downtrend, especially in the long run. They seem like to be downtrending. I don't know. Is that a trick, or is that how they have been programmed? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's something like that. But it's actually an interesting thing, because if you check all the ones that I've checked, they have been going down. Now, after you've seen that we are going down or we're going up, you need to mark your significant level. This is my other resistance here. Now structure is shifted to be bullish. Why? Because high, there's a low high, there's a low high. Once it breaks this low high, to make a higher high. But so far, we haven't reached that. So here, above this resistance, one can actually get some buying opportunities targeting that lower high. And from that lower high, if it drops, you can actually take buys. So above our resistance, we are safe to buy. The level, you can see, broke above. The market is currently above the level, as you can see. Currently above is this zone. Why this zone? This zone is also a sensitive zone, a very sensitive zone. Touch there, zone that the market can come to before maybe going wherever it wants to go. At the trend lines like this, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You can check. If you check this trend lines, actually beautiful. What, according to our strategy, we know that below this trend line, all the sells are safe. Above this trend line, all the buys are safe. That is our strategy. That is how it works. So simple like that. So here you see that it's on the trend line of the daily. Once that trend line is broken, know that the possibility of having long-term buys that can hold for some day. So touch, our strategy, this is how it works. Touch, this was an entry opportunity. Here, we have also entered. So now we are back on the trend line now. We are back on the trend line. Does it mean that we must sell? No. We only sell after the confirmations have confirmed that we can now sell. For example, what confirmations here? This level of support, this area of support here. That's a major level of support. So once it breaks below that support, that's a confirmation for entering. No, it's above. So once it comes below this, once it comes and does something like this, once it comes down, we just can take sales here. Once it breaks above, comes and retests. Once it breaks above, we're looking at this level of resistance. Break retest, we're looking for buys. So that is the current lookout right now. That is the current lookout right now for the boom. We're stuck in this range here. Range. Once we break above, we are buying. Breaking below, we are selling. Simple as that. Right, moving on to crash 500. You can see also it has these crash and booms always seem like they are always downtrend. Why does it seem like they're always downtrending? So this is a downtrend. Check lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower low. For this market to be a bullish market, just to come and break this lower high, make a higher high, higher low, higher high, something like that. So long it doesn't break that level. So that level is a significant level to me, because if it fails to break it, you know that the sellers are right like this. Right below this support. below the support. If we come long-term buys that can hold here in between, we can actually mark up some other levels of significance or some other areas of levels of sensitivity, according to me. Another thing that you can also include in your analysis is the same concept of so most probably, according to what we are looking at, if this market comes with this resistance and breaks there like this, the trend most probably we're going to have is we know that the buyers are going up. The buyers are now most probably gaining control of this market. So far, the buyers below here, they're still not yet fully safe. It is in as much as even today, let's check in some buys. They're not fully safe, but once that happens, we know that they are now much more safe. We know that they're now much more safe. Huh? Right. You can level in here. If it breaks above here, the chance of it coming here is high. Once it breaks that one, I'm looking forward to this next level. So it's a zone to zone thing. Once you break above here, this zone here, buy is actually safe from here to there. Once you break there, buys are safe to there. What is my lookout currently? This channel is not broken. This market can up until pressure break there. So if it comes to demand zone, that's a best entry point. That's all the way there, which is also the